not a drill. It's right there. I'm so excited. Look, it's so big. Oh my god. I didn't really know how I was gonna film this. Oh my god. Wait, let me see if it just says phone ranboos. At first I recorded this September 5th and it's now December the 20th. Now what were you saying? No, don't turn it on. What were you saying? Go ahead and finish.
Whole thing was loose. Don't put them in the dryer. They come loose.
Whose are those?
Mine.
Who put them in the dryer?
I washed and dried them.
Where'd you get those from?
Thrift store.
Just recently. Okay. That was. Okay, it's fine. It's very okay. It smells like a balloon, sort of. Like, not the bad balloon. Dude, it's actually so big. I'm gonna have to put it in the washing machine. Because I ordered like a 2X, just in case. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. I have a habit of smelling stuff. It's so crisp. Stop. I don't even want to. Oh my god. Dude. It's so big. It's so big. Oh my god. Imagine if it came in a Christmas card. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Dude. Okay. Hold on. We're not getting the full effect. Dude. Okay. Imagine. It's up here, right? It's still going. I don't even think I'm gonna shrink it. I don't think I'm gonna shrink it. Oh, dude, that is sick. That is so sick. You have like the eye right here with the crown. Look at that. My hands were cold. That's why I'm wearing gloves. Dude, I'm a little bit upset with myself though, cause why did I pay $65 for a black hoodie with a little bit of embroidery and one singular half white, half black hood? But also it's worth it because it's ranboos. So oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm not gonna wear it right now. Dude, I'm gonna have to like cherish this for my life. I don't know. I just have a habit. Ah, look at the tag. Look at the tag. Bye, ranboos. I love it. Look at the little strings, dude. They're so, like, heavy. They're heavy. They are heavy. Okay. Well, I mean, the merch is, I don't know if it'll be out whenever I upload this. But probably will be. So go ahead and get you a duality hoodie. Or snow globe, or a hat, or a Christmas sweater. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. I'm gonna wear it when I get back. I have took a bath, got ready. Kinda did my hair. I just stuck it out in a ponytail. And I did it wrong. Hold on. Ta-da. It's so nice. Wait, hold on. Look at the sleeves. Look at the sleeves. So, a review, ranboos merch review. hoodie review. It's so warm. The heaviness is nice. These things are nice. It's so warm. It's off and heavy. No, normally I wear like a large, extra large, medium. I can wear anything. I don't know, but my true size, I don't know. Dysphoria is a thing. But I got a 2X in. It goes down farther. It goes down to like my mid thigh. I wear it as a dress if I wanted to. Most definitely not. But I got a 2X. That's what it looks like on me. A person that could pass for a large or a medium. But normally on a day-to-day basis I wear extra large. So. And this is a 2X. So pretty nice. You should get one. If it's still up whenever I post this. But if it's not, and the new merch drop is, then get something else. Everything there is fine. Wonderful. Amazing. Yeah. Ranboos, sponsor me, please. I will be your hype man.
Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated.
We are now outside in the review. So it is about what, 20 degrees. And I'm feeling very warm. You know, I'm not cold at all. I don't have any shoes on. I have slides on. Additional socks. I don't feel warm. I'm feeling very nice. Everything waist down. Wait, no. Head to almost mid-thigh. Warm. Completely warm. Toasty, if you will. So I don't know if you need any more convincing to get something. Anything Ranboos related will make you warm. Anything Ranboos.fashion related will make you warm.
Hit it!